Dang, I wish there were more custom sirens in TSM World. Hey, I got an idea. I'll make a transporter device to bring my custom sirens into TSM World. Done. Now let's bring my tornado siren creations into this world. Holy crap. It worked. The sirens I drew a while ago are here in TSM World.
Yes, we are. Get over here, Thunder Baby.
Don't you think I know by now? I'm singularitized. Please go away.
No, I love you.
But I don't.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistake.
Oh my god. Stop being such a drama queen. Good timing, a learner. Now let's take 1003's pull to West Shore Sir. Flack. BTW, I came here to tell you that there are new sirens in TSM, and my TV just got stolen a while ago.
What?
There are some new sirens in TSM World, and a learner's TV was stolen. Let's not worry about the TV right now. Let's go meet the new sirens. Hello. Hi. I'm Vibra Tower 1000P, but you can call me Vibra Tower for short. And she's me 1000W.
And I'm VibraPod, and this is VibraPad.
That's all she can say.
Have you seen my TV anywhere? No, I haven't. But I'll keep my eyes out. But anyways, let's go to TSM Park.
Okay. Anyways, where were we? Oh yeah, get over here, my love.
I would not.
Kiss me.
Lol, I can't believe I actually managed to get away with stealing a learner's TV. Breaking news. 4 new sirens have just entered our world by the names of Vibra Tower 1000P, or Vibra Tower, the 1000W, VibraPod, and VibraPad. They are at TSM Park right now, and the person responsible for their creation is a fan of BSB, known as the GRJ2006. Also known as the scripter of this episode and Thunderbolt's chopper problem. Jeez. Even the news here breaks the fourth wall. That's right, T50. Whalen. WTF. That's it. Today is Holy Day. Okay, time for some atomized insults towards those new twerps. Hey look. LOL, these sirens look like they were ripped off from the Thunderbolt siren and made with cheap Radio Shack parts. And what's this? A rattle on a log? What the You're not even a siren. You're just an automated rattle. What? Go. Yeah, you better run, or we're gonna turn you into a heaping pile of mashed potatoes.
Oh my god. What happened to you?
I don't wanna talk about it. T50, you are under arrest for breaking out of prison again, stealing a learner's TV, and harassing the new sirens. Ducky. Oh, T50, you have visitors.
That's what you get for calling me a cheap rattle.
Well, I'm just gonna take my TV back. Huh. I never realized that was a learner's TV.